My video is dedicated to help you get rid of the misleading pop-ups that come from the website downloadready.net. Downloadready.net is a deceptive website that may try to encourage you into downloading and installing certain unwanted browser extensions. The site downloadready.net tells you to download some extensions. However, it doesn't mention that these particular extensions may function as adware. In reality, initially, the extension that is promoted is described as some helpful tool that can assist you in blocking ads. But the point is that this installed extension may instead show even greater number of ads. So you should treat these pop-ups with caution. DownloadReady.net may hijack a lot of crucial browser settings, and as I said, they also may display numerous ads not related to the sites that you visit. I have just installed these extensions on purpose in order to let you know how to get rid of such third-party extensions. You should click on the menu icon, click on More Tools, then Extensions. If you see any third-party extensions, disable and remove them completely. This should be sufficient enough. But I also recommend you to additionally investigate your system with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus, which you may get on the official website combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the software, and start researching your device with its help to detect and delete other threats from your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.